Professionally, being a master dealer really was something that reflected what we've been doing, and a very proud moment for us. I think the culture we built trying to get there, and the business we built trying to get there, and the leaders we created trying to get there, if I look back, they're the moments that are actually pretty special.
I've worked in a few different car businesses, and I think what's unique to us is that our entire team is focused on the person. It's not focused on how many cars a person can sell. Because we've been doing that for so long and we've got such great people around us, is that everyone or every customer that walks in through the front door feels that they are cared for, that they're seen, that they're heard, and that we genuinely care for them more than selling something.
I always say to my team that it is not hard to be you, and it's not hard, it doesn't cost a lot to be nice. What we do here at Derek Mazda is exceptional. For us, it's more than just a transaction. We focus on a good relation with the customer. We focus on being just genuine and caring.
Well, I think in my role, I like to make everyone feel equally as important, whether they're just coming in for 5 minutes or 5 hours. But I guess probably what's really, really important to me is that they feel heard in the first instance. People feel very welcome to come to us. They feel that we are trustworthy enough so that they feel like they're heard and they're not going to get ripped off.
Our department, there's 2 questions in our MSI for customer experience that includes finance. So we had to make sure that all of our clients are completely satisfied with their experience, whether they're paying cash, whether they're financing, but when they're interacting with the finance department, that they're satisfied so that we get the sales team their results.
To be recognised as a place where people choose to come, get their car serviced, and they put their trust in us, it is a massive thing, because we're looking after, mums with kids, we're looking after families, we're looking after people's brothers, sisters, mums, dads, those sort of things. We have a lot of pride in that.
Well, a lot of people come to us because they need us. They've got an issue with their vehicle, there's an element of trust, or they've been referred to by us. We never leave anyone high and dry. We always work together to get the best outcome for our customers because they trust us, and we work hard to earn that trust.